How to fix and solve Telegram app freezing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix and solve Telegram app freezing. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your phone settings. Scroll down, choose apps, and under the app section, select app management. Wait until everything is loaded and search Telegram using search bar. Open the app info section. Select storage users option. Now tap clear cache to remove any temporary data that might be causing the issue. Now go back. Tap force stop to close the app completely. Select force stop again to confirm. And after that, you need to simply choose battery uses. Here you need to make sure to enable battery optimization for Telegram if there is any option. After that, you need to restart your phone to finalize the process. Hold down power button on your device. Swipe towards restart, and this should fix the freezing issues on Telegram. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.